Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you'll learn how you can easily implement back to top to your HTML website. So let's start. First, what you want to do is scroll down to the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets there is a back to top. Click sign up for free, sign up with the Facebook or Gmail, and just add email here. So when you got it, let's click login. Now right here in applications, you want to write back, and back to top, create a widget. Now you need to choose which one you actually like. To top, continue with the template. You can choose which one you actually like, the position, the offset, the right center. You can really choose everything. When you have it, click save. Right after you click save, you need to choose a plan. You can start with the light version if you're starting out, but if you're gonna have like a lot of views, go with the basic or pro version. Then just my recommendation. Get the code here, and now just add it to our code. Click save and preview theme. And as you can see, we got to top. And right now, if I would scroll, I will get there. So this is how we actually do it, and this is like all about it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance, some support, and things like that. So thank you, everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.